Okay, let's keep moving. You get moving. Oh, we need to cross the roads. The road soon. Let me go first. I know. Oh, we're getting too close. Two Legs is here again. Well, just one back and... Guys, we better cross the road. Quickly, come on. There's a gun! Hurry, run, run! She's shot me. Ah! Ouch! I'm not a good runner. Thank goodness, now we don't have to cross the road anymore. Two Legs again. Why do they leave their door open? I mean, whatever it's called. Gate. It's actually called doors. I think the house is over here. Come on. I bet her mom won't mind.
Okay, the server is ready when you guys are. Good luck.
Hey, Shylam. What do you want to do? Art stuff? Or anything? I just don't want to do anything right now. Oh, hi, sissies! Really? What are you doing? What? Oh, are you serious?